Not everyone wants to post on social media or go viral to start a side hustle. And the good news is, you don't have to. Let me show you a way to use AI to build the foundation of a business without dancing on TikTok or needing a single follower. I'm going to use ChatGPT to write a short email that could be part of an affiliate funnel. I will just write a friendly 150-word email introducing a new eco-friendly kitchen gadget and inviting readers to learn more. And in seconds, it gives me a complete email, subject line, body copy, and even a call to action. You could do the same thing for any niche or product, and you don't even need tech skills or an audience. Once you have a couple of emails like this, you can use a free tool to send them automatically to people who sign up on a simple landing page. If you want to see exactly how to take AI generated content like this and turn it into a real business without using social media, I've dropped a link in the description to the AI Business Builder Challenge. It's beginner friendly, super low key, and walks you through the full process step by step. The link is in the description if you want to start today.